This beautiful mango milk cake is a must try for every bakery enthusiast. It's a very unique and nice recipe and is worth for you to even try it, serve it in your parties, or as good as a great menu option for all the home bakers. Exact quantities are listed below in the description while I explain you how easy it is to make this. Make a vanilla sponge by mixing curd, oil, sugar and beating it well. Beat it until it is lump free and nice and smooth batter. Once mixed, add vanilla essence to it and then add in the sifted flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda and cardamom powder will just add a good flavor to it. It can just be about a pinch. Mix well until lump free and very smooth batter. It's time to line up your molds to pour in the batter in a way where it does not stick to your mold and demolding gets really easy. I'll help you with a tip. Do not just line it with oil but dust some flour to it. This will ensure demolding a very easy task. Now gently pour in the sponge batter that you've created. Make sure to fill up about the molds only 3/4. If you fill it up full, the cake will spill up. Once done, bake the cake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the cake is in the oven, let's make the milk of this milk cake with just 3 ingredients: milk, sugar and mango pulp. Whisk well and let it cool in refrigerator until your cake is baked. Here's another baking tip for you. Cold milk soaks in well in the warm cake. Now it's time to demold your cake. Well, we've dusted it well enough. That's the reason why it is a very easy and clean demold. You can see it for yourself. Once demolded, let's cut out the first layer as it's very crusty and hence will prevent the cake from soaking the milk in. Since it's a milk cake, we would want to ensure the cake is soaked in that yummy milk. Now dock it with some fork. This will ensure some more heavy pores in the cake and will make soaking a very quicker task. Put it back in the mold it was baked in and now add some milk to it. Pour the milk in enough quantity such that it soaks well. After the milk has been added, dock it again with the fork. It will make it a very quick process. Though if you want to avoid this step, you can just simply set it aside for an hour or so. It will be a slow process but it will be worth it. Now let's plate this cake up. Demold the cake again by gently removing the foil. Make sure to be very gentle and quick with it or else there might be some spillage we might not like. Now pour in some more milk into the plate and with the back of the spoon smoothen the cake out. Top it with some mango cream and garnish the way you like it. Isn't it a very beautiful and tasty make? I am sure your mouth is watering just by the look of it.